Hello everyone. Today we're going to do another review. This time we're going to review this interesting new screwdriver. The name is of the company that made it is a Xiaomi Mijia 16-in-1 Ratchet screwdriver. It looks like a really nice screwdriver. It's got like a different shape. I haven't really seen this kind of shape before. You got like two little square areas so you can hold it. It doesn't feel bad. You feel good. The whole thing is around. The color is black, but it's a nice color. It's made of S2 alloy steel here in the front and mostly in the back too. But when you see in the inside, this part here looks like it's a hard plastic, but I'm not sure how they made this. But the hard plastic inside, it looks so rough. Outside it feels so smooth, a little bit different. The measurement is completely with the tip here in the front. It's 9.5 inches. But the nice interesting thing about this screwdriver too is that you can use it like this and it become a 5.5 inch screwdriver. You can definitely put the tips in here and you can use it as a regular screwdriver. Then you put the ratchet and it go very smooth. So it's a very nice fixture. It tied up not too strong, but it doesn't go out. Here, that's tied up very good. It has a magnet too to hold the bit. So it's really good. It has 16 bits inside. That's why it's called 16-in-1. You push that button here and this area come out. And in this area you have all the bits. The 16-in-1. Each one of them has two sides so that you can use it. You can use one this side or you can use this side. Where you put the bit, you have nothing to hold it but a magnet. That is a nice magnet. Not like some other one that you have to put the thing in and it hold it for you. This one is a nice magnet, which I believe it will last forever, I guess. So that's another nice features of this screwdriver. The spring here is smooth, it's not hard. It get well connected inside, so it's very good. The tip in the front is very solid. It's pure metal. It's pure metal. This is very nice solid metal too. They call it S2 alloy steel. You push and get inside real tight. Then you put the bit. So much noise. You see the ratchet? The ratchet sounds really good. It sounds really, it's really smooth, you know. You just touch it a little bit, you go around. The noise is not that much neither. There's some of the ratchets that make a lot of noise. This ratchet doesn't make that much noise. And it's smooth. You have the 3 options here, left, right and in the middle, so you can use it either to go up or down in the same position, like many people knows. Like I say, also you can use this one, this part. You can put on your drill, and you can use that as a drill bit, right? So it's really nice option there. As you can see, is a slab 4 and 6. This one is the T5 T30. This one is a PC1 and PC2. That is like that. These are some of the Philips 2 and 3, H3, H4, T15, T20, and H5 and H6. That's all the base, 16. If you compare it with other screwdriver that I have that are good too, for example, this Husky, which is similar to it, I have it already for probably like 2 years. This one is do the same thing. You can use this with your drill. It has a ratchet too, really nice ratchet. You can put your bit in the front too. The only good thing that I believe is nice about the Hawkins is that the bit is just one side. Sometimes I like a little bit more this kind of bit. You can put it that, and this one has a magnet, very strong magnet on both sides. It has it there and it has it there. The quality is very good too. You put some of the bits here. The only thing is that you have less. You only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bit in there. But it's good. But the ratchet work here too. If you can see it here. Doesn't sound too much, and it's smooth too, and very good handle. I believe a little bit better than this one, but I feel that the ratchet on the Xiaomi is way more smooth. It's way more smooth than in the Hawkins. Yes, it's a little bit way smooth. Not by much, but a little bit better. Just a little bit better. But I think when it comes to quality, for example, the Hawkins is better. Like if you're going to use it on mechanic and things like that, I think this one to be using mechanic is not that great, unless you're just going to use a mechanic interior of fixtures that you're doing lights and things inside the car, stuff like that. Is not that bad. It's good. But they have the same fixture. That's why I wanted to show them. The other one that I think can be compared to is to the wearer. This one already have a video if you want to see it. This wearer, the ratchet of this wearer is also very smooth. It's very smooth. It's very fast. It's makes a little bit more noise than the other two, but just a little bit, not that much, but it's way smooth than the other two. I think this is more smooth ratchet. It's going around really fast, and the screwdriver stay very steady. This one also carries some tools inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 too. But this one cannot disconnect this part. This one stay only that way. The handle is feel better than the two. I think this handle is better than the other two. This one is really nice too. The Hawkins is a nice handle. This one is not that bad, but I think this one, the Weta, has the best handle of the three. Going back to the main tool, I think it's a good tool because you have a lot of options that you can use when you're doing your job. So you can carry more bits on this one. Sounds also you can use it as a with a drill. It makes it a very good tool. It's not that it's delicate, like I was saying when I was comparing to the Husky one, but it's not that hard to use it like in mechanic situation. But it is a nice screwdriver. Either of the three can do the same job. Well, this one cannot use the drill, but either three as a screwdriver can do basically the same job. This one is more expensive than that one. This one is more expensive than this one, but at the same time, I think the three of them are a good screwdriver. I just wanted to make this compare, even though this video was for this screwdriver, the 16-in-1 by Xiaomi Mijia. But I wanted to compare it so you guys can see that. Which one I may choose if they give me the option to buy any of the three. If you are going to use it as an electrician or something besides mechanic, I maybe choose this one. If it's a mechanic, I will use this one. I think I will, if I wanted to have a bag that I don't want it to carry that many screwdrivers, I think I will use this one. This one gives you a lot of options and it's a good screwdriver. So when it comes to save space, I would choose this one because it's very good. A screwdriver too, it has a lot of options. And I think this is it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.